Thermometer.
Nana would to be said. Every your market was so that the other Nana, your market did that, your market did that. Oh no, you're anyone was now. Rather shamos water, rather cross da. Oh my home, master would da. Oh my home, Totima da. Oh my dear, two das. And if I can't hear, that's when you're best son. Obey yet. No was son. Sassanyami and Yami Wajiwatum, Yami was Saudi. Yami Wajiwatum, Yami Wajiwatum.
Time of my polling station to register between the 1st and the 6th. I'm very impressed with the arrangements that the Electoral Commission has made for people to register in safety with all that is going on in the country, and at the same time to do it in an efficient manner. I want to encourage everybody. We still have 3 days to go. I get everybody who hasn't registered to try and register, so that when the D-Day comes, you can also participate in choosing the government of your choice. What will be sad is to sit in the house and then other people take a decision for you. So it's better that everybody who has not yet registered should come out and register. It's a simple process, it's not complicated. So that's my first thing.
So, President, thank you very much.
And the second, I want to also add a little statement. In 2016,
yes, sir,
I asked the people of Ghana to give me a chance and see my handiwork. They gave me the chance. So it is now for them to decide how they see the work. When I saw me here, it's one hand between me who said, Yembe papa na nyeba. Me fan there. My dear mission. Me say aso ani so. Nyankopon na afie twem. Na 7 December ba. We be here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.